안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Привет. I am Heejin and I am professional certified Korean tutor. I've been teaching foreign students since 2019 and finally I made the 1000 words in Korean series that has full of useful words and they are totally free. The 1000 words in Korean series is made up of useful topics such as introduction, shopping, at a restaurant, making friends, traveling, and so much more. So this series will be very helpful for who are planning to visit or traveling to Korea, or who have Korean friends and talk to them in Korean. So let's get started. Basic expressions. 안녕 means hi, which is very casual, so you can use between close friends or family members. And 안녕하세요 is polite. And I highly recommend you to use 안녕하세요. And how to say thank you is 고마워 or 고마워요. And another saying thank you is 감사합니다. And what is difference between 고마워 and 감사합니다? 감사합니다 is more formal, so which can be I appreciate it. And when you want to say sorry, we say 미안해 or 미안해요. And if you want to say more formal, we say 죄송합니다, I apologize. If you want to know how to get to the museum and you want to say excuse me, we say it 실례합니다. 실례합니다. And how to say bye in Korean is slightly tricky because we have two byes. 안녕히 가세요 means bye. 안녕 means well-being or be well. 가세요 means go. So 안녕히 가세요 means go safe, which means, well, I invite a Mary to come to my place for a cup of tea. Now Mary is leaving and I would like to say bye to her and I'm going to say 안녕히 가세요, Mary, which means go well. And Mary will tell me that 안녕히 계세요, which means 안녕, the same, be well, and 계세요 means stay or be there. So 안녕히 계세요 means stay safe. Mary will tell me back bye, 안녕히 계세요 as stay safe. And this is our last word. 다음에 만나요. See you next time. 다음 means next. 만나요 means to meet. So meet you next time is our see you next time. Words list and quizzes are available at studykoreaneveryday.teachable.com. Did you like the lesson? Then please subscribe, like, or share the clip. 다음에 만나요. Bye!